So recently the Honor Band 5i released in India, which is the lighter version of the latest Honor Band 5. And if you have been following the budget fitness segment, there is already a Mi Band 3i released a few weeks ago, which again is the lighter version of the Mi Band 3 and not the Mi Band 4. So how do these lighter versions compare against each other? Well, you know what? The Honor Band 5i is way better than the Mi Band 3i. So of course, there's no point in comparing these. It would have been better if Xiaomi had launched Mi Band 4i rather than the Mi Band 3i. Anyways, a worthy comparison would be the Mi Band 4, and hence the question has to be asked, which is the best budget fitness band in India to buy in 2020? Well, this is Pratik from TechWiser.com and I have the answer. Let's find out. Now before we get on to the comparison, the Honor Band 5i is almost identical to the Honor Band 5 with a few differences, like the Honor Band 5i has inbuilt USB charger. You do get a lower res LCD display instead of AMOLED, and the lack of AMOLED display in Honor Band 5i means slightly inferior sunlight legibility. Let me show you. This is how the display looks side by side indoors. Not much of a difference. But when you go outdoors, you can clearly see the difference between AMOLED and LCD. Other than that, consider the Honor Band 5i as a slightly cosmetic upgrade over the Honor Band 5 with a new strap, which I like. With that out of the way, let's get back to the Mi Band 4. So it's not much different from the Honor Band 5, but how does it compare with the Mi Band 4? Well, I have to give the display part to the Mi Band 4. The AMOLED display looks great and it really makes the difference when you see it outdoors under bright sunlight. However, display is not the only thing you see when you're working out outdoors. I often see my fitness band while I'm running, and bigger icons and text really help. The icons and text on the Honor Band 5i look bigger, and so does the text. It would seem like a small detail, but outdoors it's easier to figure out the Honor Band's menu than the Mi one. Another thing worth pointing out is the built-in USB charging. This is the first time a major fitness band has included built-in USB charging, while the Mi Band still has that proprietary charger, which is not something I would like to carry around while I'm traveling. But you know what's interesting about the Honor Band 5i? The blood oxygen monitor, or the Spo2 monitor. And you know what? It's not there out of the box. The official website says it will be available later via OTA update, and we will update you on that. But just to give you a preview, the Honor Band 5 already has a Spo2 monitor, and here is how it works. You have to measure it manually every time, and I would have loved it if it was the part of the workout summary. But I guess that has hardware and battery limitations. Additionally, I got one OTA update that included music playback controls, just like the Mi Band 4. But straight up, I prefer the honest implementation of the music playback control. Check this out. Once I go to the music playback menu, the Honor Band 5i stays on for almost 45 seconds. This is not the case when you are on any of the other menu. And here is side by side on how the Mi Band 4's music control functions. It turns off as soon as it can. This is a tiny inclusion in the firmware from Honor, but means a lot when you use it. But you know what? You don't review a fitness band sitting here in the office because it's a fitness band. So let's move out. I took a run with both the Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 5i, and here's the data side by side. To give you a perspective, we also have the Nike Run Club data. As you can see, the Honor Band 5i is closer to the NRC data, which is the most accurate one. The Mi Band 4 didn't do that bad, but still, Honor Band 5i was consistently accurate. Another point to note is that the Mi Band 4 has connected GPS, so it can use your smartphone's GPS data. The Honor Band 5i also has extra workout activities, 8 to be precise, but surprisingly, there is no swim tracking. It's present on the Honor Band 5, but I don't see it in the Honor Band 5i. Interesting. Apart from workout, the Honor Bands have better sleep tracking. True sleep tracking, I mean. And it's good. It has been consistently good since the Honor Band 4. If you look at the Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 5i data side by side, the Mi Band 4 is just there, but the Honor Band 5i has much more advanced algorithm, which makes it slightly more accurate and provides better sleep analysis. Like, it could detect I got up in the morning for about 23 minutes, whereas the Mi Band 4 had no clue. And to end this, let's talk about third-party apps and battery life. Honor Band 5i clearly loses out on the third-party app support. The Mi Band 4 works with Sleep as Android, Gadget Bridge, Mi Tools, etc. And you also have the option to sideload custom watch faces. Although the Huawei Health app does provide a watch face store, but it doesn't give you the option to sideload your own watch faces. So the Mi Band 4 clearly has the upper hand when it comes to third-party apps, and same is the case with battery life. On continuous heart rate tracking, true sleep monitoring, the Honor Band 5i lasted around 5 days, whereas on similar usage, Mi Band 4 could pull off 8 to 9 days. So the Honor Band 5i clearly has an inferior battery, but the USB charger is all I wished for. You can just plug it into your laptop or even the power bank and you're good to go. So which one should you buy? Well, if you like tinkering with your band and you don't mind 2-3 apps on your phone, then Mi Band 4 is for you. It has got a better display, better battery life and huge third-party app support. But if you ask me, I would cite the Honor Band 5i. It has better algorithm, consistency, sleep tracking, pricing, mobile app and UI. But having said that, you wouldn't go wrong either way. And on that note, this is Prateek signing off. See you soon.